Hi mate. Okay, that's the whole unit, the computer itself. Okay, and that's the vent. We have some holes here with inserts for the screws and holes here. Yeah? Don't look at that, that's shit. Okay, so you just put it there. Yeah. You take the screw and you just mount it here. It's quite easy, but when you're filming it's not so easy. One screw, the other, and let's forget about the third one. Okay, and that's it, it's ready. And when you want to fit the wiring in there, you just make the hole here for that. That's the wiring, that's the main plug. The main plug have to go here, so it's space enough to do that. And you close this one, just put the wiring, and that's it. That's the wiring, that's the sensors, water, oil sensor, that's for the intake air, that's exhaust, gas temperature sensor. What else I got here? That's the whole kit ready for my customer. That's the boost sensor, and last one is the oil pressure sensor. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, it's quite easy to install that. When you first install the sensors in your car, yeah,